141 pounds for Jesus Aguilon. Next up to the scale, representing Rubicon Fight Sport, Xavier Soto. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, he does possess the best hair on the card tonight. Well, it's tomorrow night, but I'm sorry, maybe it's just the hair. Kind of throws the game off.
Don't touch your hair.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. No, I'm just kidding.
269 pounds for Xavier Soto. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow night the earth will shake beneath your feet as the heavyweights punch it out. We want to see some hands fly tomorrow night in the heavyweight division. Jesus Aguilon and Xavier Soto.
Yeah, baby!
That's right, ladies. Oh, and also to all the fighters, there is a full kitchen available here as soon as we're done with the weigh-ins. Ladies and gentlemen, they have been living on electrolytes for at least 2 weeks. It's time for solid food to take over. And next up, in the featherweight division at 145 pounds, Alexander